Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, the place that I call home. I get to speak with you on Phonac's newly released venture technology, the CROS II. We find ourselves today in Nashville because this is often where people take their ears on vacation. It's Music City, USA. There's lots going on with dining and social activities and in and out of different bars and clubs, engaging in everyday life and everyday listening. Today I get to call on old friends and colleagues of mine who have recently fit a patient with the CROS II technology.
My name's Cara Keller, and I have single-sided hearing loss on my right side. I was diagnosed when I was 10 years old. I was flagged in a routine hearing check at school, came home with a note, and my mom said, "You can't hear?" And I said, "I didn't know." But we went to the doctor, and it was diagnosed as otosclerosis, and the hearing loss progressed. Fast forward, I was 25 years old. I was married, had my first child, and I was working as a trauma nurse in ICU, and my hearing loss had started to affect my work. So I went to an ENT, and we decided surgery would be the best option at that time. So I had surgery, and life was good for a while. And then fast forward another 25 years, and that hearing in my right ear continued to gradually decrease and decrease, which brought me to the point that I'm at now.
We made arrangements for the hearing exam and took the time to explain the results and recommended a Phonak CROS. I demonstrated it that day in the office and was just amazed by her first reaction.
Bill Dickinson with Phonak was also there, and the two of them in the office and myself, and they're putting the hearing aids on me and getting me fitted, and they're not on yet, and I'm in the process of just talking to them. I thought just talking to them. They turn the switch on, and all of a sudden it's like, oh my goodness, who's that woman yelling? And it was me, and I lowered my voice, and I'm still so loud. I lowered it exponentially, and to where I think I'm whispering now, and they're still hearing me just fine. And so I'm starting to hear all the noises within the room, and then within a few minutes I start hearing this buzzing sound, vibrating sound, and I'm like, gosh, what is that? It sounds like a phone. I haven't heard a phone buzz in forever. And so I'm checking my purse. It's not my phone. And Bill and Nancy look at me, and Bill says, "Do you hear that, Cara?" And I said, "Yeah, what is it?" And he says, "It's my phone on vibrate in my pocket, which I'm sitting on this couch across from you, and you're hearing it." And at that moment, I said, I felt like Bionic Woman with my bionic ear and was hearing these sounds for the first time.
The flexibility of the new CROS portfolio really gives, as a provider, gives me a lot of options to fit both my CROS and BiCROS patients. It's not just a strong transmitter. The hearing aid device is a strong product in and of itself. So when a person has hearing loss on their better hearing ear, we've got a great BiCROS solution as well.
With CROS II technology, Phonak has taken the venture platform to an all-new level for those with single-sided hearing. CROS II technology is compatible with all venture RICs and BTEs, has a 30% reduction in power consumption, has an innovative fitting protocol which makes it much easier to fit than all previous CROS, and is integrating binaural voice stream technology and stereo zoom for considerably improved speech and noise performance.
My youngest daughter especially, because she's a soft speaker, she appreciates, I hear her the first time. She doesn't have to repeat it. And she will say, "I'm so glad you've done this."